Hi, welcome to class. Today we will be doing a nice gentle flow that kind of really targets our hips, and it might go from a gentle flow into one that wakes up a part of your body that might have been sleeping dormant or just really tight. So we're going to get started today. I'm going to sit on a block that I've got right here. I'm going to sit on it this way. You can sit on something, but you don't have to. I got my sit bones on each side. I'm kind of wiggling side to side here. And I'm allowing my eyes just to drift shut. My palms are going to fall and palms facing outwards upon my knees. Inhale my shoulders up to my ears. Roll them down. Once more up. And down. Yeah, I've got some tension. Take a moment. Let's begin with 3 cleansing breaths. Inhale through your nose. Let it go. 2 more. Inhale. Let it go. 1 more. Nice. Alrighty. We are going to start with our fingertips interlocked at the base of our neck. Inhale, lift your heart. We did this last week. Curve over. 2 more. Inhale. Curve. 1 more. Curve over. Lengthen. Okay, take your knees. I'm going to get your feet so your knees are facing up. Same thing. Hands right here. Inhale. This time, see if your elbows can touch your knees. Inhale, lengthen. And elbows touch knees. Inhale. And touch the knees with your elbow if possible. And then let your hands just fall down. Nice deep curve in that spine. Head is hanging. 3 breaths. Inhale. Two more. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. And lengthen. We're going to send this leg out almost straight. If you want to keep it bend, that's fine. Maybe you can't straighten it. That's cool too. Just bring this leg into your chest. 3 breaths. Exhale. 2 more. Last breath. Inhale. Nice. Now take this hand, wrap it around. This hand on your hip, look to the side. 3 breaths. Exhale. 2 more. 1 more. Bring it forward. We're going to switch. Just bring this other leg in. 3 breaths. Root those sit bones. Heart is shining and lifting. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Take this hand, wrap it around this hand onto our hips. 3 breaths. Shoulders, release them. Last breath. Bring it back. Alrighty. With this leg up, we're just going to shift and bring this other leg up to a nice knee. See if this is available. You might need to be all the way down here, or it just might not be available. That's okay. If it is, we're just going to breathe 2 breaths. Exhale. 1 more. This is really opening up your hip. Switch. Bring Bend your knees, arms to the side, all the way up, flat back. Reach to your blocks, send them all the way high. See if your hands can reach them. If they can't, totally cool, don't worry. If you need to bend those knees, be generous and bend. Roll it up. Hands in prayer. Here we go. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, roll them down. Bend your knees, arms to the side, all the way up. Flat back. Plant your hands on your blocks. Bend the knees if you need to. Alright, we're going to bring your block furthest away from me. Press it into the middle. Shift your weight forward. Bend this knee. And put your hand that's closest to me on your hip. 2 breaths. And set it over. Bend both knees. Switch blocks. And shift the weight forward. Bend your knee closest to me now. Hand on your hip. 2 breaths. 1 more. Bring it down. Bend, roll it up. Alright, hands in prayer. Shoulders come up. Roll down. Bend your knees, arms to the side. And flat back. Hands to the blocks. Bend the knees if you need to. Hang your head. Bring your arm that's furthest away from me in the middle. Shift forward. Bend the knee that's furthest away from me. And bring your arm closest to me up. Big breath. Exhale. 1 more breath. Shake the head. And repeat on the other side. Shift blocks. Weight comes forward. Bend your knee closest to me. Rotate. 2 breaths. Send it down. Alrighty, we're going to bring your foot closest to me in and foot furthest away behind. Lower your knee. Plant your hands in your blocks. We are not sinking. We're pressing and lengthening. Here we are. Big breath. Walk your hands up to this position. Send your arms out. And then rotate. Yeah, woo! Bring both hands forward. Shift down. Alrighty, we're going to shift our back leg forward. Switch on the other side. Lower that knee. We want a line from our knee to our ankle. So not this and not this. Here we go. 2 breaths. We're not sinking, we're pressing. Exhale. Inhale. Walk your hands up. So it is powerful. I'm pressing through this foot. You can bring it in as well. Pressing through this knee and my back toes. Arms to the side. We're going to rotate. And bring it forward. And then they're going to come back down. Okay? Let's step that back leg forward. Hands to your knees. Roll up. Okay. That's our flow. We're going to do our flow 3 times. Hands to prayer. Inhale, shoulders up. Roll them down. Bend your knees, arms to the side, all the way up. Flat back, reach towards your blocks. Bend your knees, 1 big breath. This block comes forward. Shift your weight, bend your knee right here, open. Hand on your hip. Exhale. Switch. Repeat on the other side. Bring this block forward. Shift, bend this knee. Hand to your hip. 2 breaths. And bring it down. between, lower the back knee. We want a nice line from our knee to our ankle. Okay? Big breath. Shoulders are rolling, heart is shining. Walk your hands up. Press through this front foot, this back knee and back toes. Hands out to the side. And rotate, nice twist. Bring both hands forward, reach. Hands down, shift. Back leg comes in. Other side. Reach back, lower the knee. 2 breaths. Walk up. Arms to the side. And rotate, twist. Big breath. And bring arms forward. Reach. Hands down. Shift back foot, front. Hands on your knees, roll it up. Here we go. Hands at press, shoulders up. Roll down. Bend your knees, arms to the side, all the way up. And down. Plant your hands on your blocks. Bring this block forward. Bend this knee. Open. Switch. Bend both knees to the other side. Shift that block forward. Bend this knee. Open. And put your body forward. Now, with your hands on your blocks, leg closest to me comes forward. Other foot goes back. Lower the knee. Big breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, walk up, press through your foot, your knee, and your toes. Big breath, arms to the side. Rotate. Big smile. Arms come forward, reach. Hands down. Shift back foot in. And reverse on the other side. Lower the back knee. 2 breaths. Exhale. Walk your hands up on your thigh, arms to the side. And rotate. Reach, both forward, reach. Plant, shift back foot in. Hands, roll it up. Okay, last time we're just going to do 1 breath with everything. Shoulders up. Roll down, arms to the side, all the way up. Coming down. Hands go onto those blocks. Shift this block in, bend the back knee, hand on your hip. Switch. Blocks, shift forward, hand on opposite knee. And come forward. Front leg comes close in between your blocks, back knee drops. Inhale. Exhale, walk it up. Arms out. Rotate. Both arms reach. Lower. Step. Switch. Almost done, ladies. You are amazing. Exhale. Walk it up. Arms to the side. And switch. Reach forward. Lower. And roll it up. You did it! Hold right there. We'll take our music down. Thank you so much for flowing today. This flow maybe felt a little bit more like dancing because we started to flow faster towards the end. It's just a different way to approach it. I hope you have a nice day. Namaste.